Well, you just saw that the opening bell was happening on Wall Street. If you take a look at how we are trading here to start out this morning, not a whole lot of movement, right? The Nasdaq, little change to the downside. The Dow and S&P down a little bit more, but really just about 0.25%. Just to remind you, we are getting some economic data in about 15 minutes and then 15 minutes after that. So that could move the needle a little bit more. But Brad, what are you seeing at the Interactive here this morning?
Yeah, I'm seeing some red right now on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Slid on over here to the Wi-Fi Interactive just to take a look at these major averages. The Dow, I'm pulling up a year-to-date view for our viewers so you could see the setup coming into the start of March here. Here on March 1st, we open up the day down by about 0.2% for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. NASDAQ Composite, which is up 9.3% year to date, down to start off the morning and the month by about 0.1% here, but we got a lot of month left. And the S&P 500, you're seeing that in the green over the year to date. That's up by about 3.1%, but here today down by about 0.25% to begin things. Let's also take a look at the 11 S&P 500 sectors here. Out of the gate right now, you've got two sectors in positive territory. Materials moving higher by about 0.5%, we'll call it here. Utilities, though, bringing up that caboose. It's down by about 0.8%. We've got about 9 out of 11 S&P 500 sectors in negative territory right now, with a little bit of a flippity-flop technical term there in the communication services sector there. And then just lastly, riding out with a look of the NASDAQ 100, those mega cap tech stocks also doing a little bit of a flippity-flop.
You want to blow up Tesla there for 1 minute, since we got the
asking you shall
big old
receive
investor day coming today. The master plan 3 is what we are awaiting from Elon Musk.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's a big performance year to date, isn't it?
Yeah, and we've heard from Dan Ives, Wedbush analyst, of course, in the past, calling this one of the biggest short squeezes in Tesla's history that had taken place that really prompted some of that move. However, still a lot of fanfare coming into this Investor Day because there is the prospect of perhaps a new vehicle, a new model that might be discussed as well.
Yeah, some reports about a revamping of the Model Y, too, that I was reading about this morning.